Hello and welcome back. Just a little quick spoiler because I'm gonna make a few videos after, but it will take a little bit more time. So I have in the mail this week the Philips PM2423, the 2423, and it's a Nixie and it is not working, but we try to fix it. We have another multimeter. It's from Tektronix. It's the CMD250. That one is working. I have here a SOAR, the 5030. I think it's broken, so let's see what we can do with that if we can. A Philips multimeter. It's digital, but it has the red LCD, so that is kind of cool. Also, I have a digital microscope. It's supposed to do full HD and even more. It does 4000 by 2000, I think. I don't know the exact number, but it should do like 20 megapixels, quite a bit. And we have a little oscilloscope. It's from JTech, I think, and 5 megahertz, just a little thingy just to play. And also we saw the component tester, and I have here another one that is LCR meter. Never seen one of these before. It looks a lot like the 50 megahertz crystal slash frequency counter tester thing. So I just bought this because it was cheap. And we have the late Fnirsi. It's a little handheld oscilloscope. Look, it's super small. My hands are not that big, so it really is small. Yeah, and it's supposed to do 110. So according to the specs, it should be a little bit better than the famous yellow black one. And then this one came after. I think it was also black and blue, and now this is the latest. It's white and blue. So let's see what it does. Maybe we even open it and then we can look with the new microscope to see what kind of chipset it uses, and then we compare that with the review of the yellow and black one of the same Fnirsi company. So that is coming. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you next time.